Hi, this is Gerardo, and this is 60 Seconds with me.
Are you ready, Gerardo?
I'm ready.
Okay, time starts now. Song you sing in the shower.
Song I sing in the showers. Normally it's Freak on a Leash by Korn. Yeah.
Okay. Best movie or TV series of all time.
Best movie, The Clockwork Orange.
Favorite food.
Soup.
What soup?
My favorite soup. Um, Beans. Yeah, bean soup. Yeah.
Something you're great at cooking.
I'm very bad at cooking, so I would say, um, I don't know, eggs, mashed eggs.
If the soap falls to the floor, is the floor clean or is the soap dirty?
Wow. Um, the the floor is dirty.
And time. Are you ready for your 60 seconds of fame? Who's next?